Hi guys, markets in 3 minutes. It's been long. We did an update here, and that's the short version we follow up with today. The Australian dollar has kind of really in disguise, right? Stock markets, they seem to remain a bit shaky at the end of the month. We only have today's trading left, and profit taking might cause equities to weaken. Vice versa, obviously, also the Australian dollar is somewhat under pressure. We can observe that this candlestick pattern here, that's the weekly chart, looked like the market wanted to rise, but in the end it started to weaken further. So downside momentum might be on the cards for now. The daily chart is doing something similar, and here the situation remains actually even more interesting. This zigzag pattern might now remain on edge and causing the markets to weaken. We've broken around the 50 moving average to the downside. Downside motivation seems to be on the cards. The next upcoming support level is quite interesting. Plus, what we've gotten in Australia was a rise in consumer prices. So that means that the RBA, the Royal Bank of Australia, is likely not going to cut interest rates for now. However, the tricky situation, the Australian dollar keeps on pushing lower, following up with other currency pairs, the euro under pressure, the pound under pressure, as well as other currencies as well. Next one up, the US oil market. Oil prices have weakened as well to some extent, but they weakened only to this important support area. And that zone here, which seems to not break for now, might push the market higher. We are trading above the 60 US dollar level, upside, hence on the cards. Now that's long term, but this pin bar candlestick might cause the market to rise further. Let's do the top-down analysis. The weekly chart, oil prices have also basically weakened initially. However, we're starting to appreciate on top of this support area. This beautiful candlestick, this engulfing candle, might indicate a rise in prices. If the market breaks above the 62 US dollar level, maybe this next week, we could see the market rising towards the 50 moving average potentially. So we expect some upside potentially here in this market as well. The next Canadian dollar, that's kind of quite interesting. US dollar gearing up momentum, as we said, and the greenback pushing up other markets with it. The Canadian dollar losing some steam. And here we go. On the Canadian dollar currency pair, we clearly see that this 50 moving average is about to break for now, right? So if the market breaks this high point this next month, we could see that upside momentum could be on the cards here. Again, also shorter analysis here in this market might be quite interesting, as the daily chart shows us as well, and we are, by the way, long in this market, that more upside could be seen, like the fighter indicates us here in this window. Guys, happy trading. Chat soon. Have a good one. Bye.